Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we are talking about something that is going to completely blow your mind. This is not just a vehicle. This is not just a motorhome. What you are looking at right now is the 2026 BMW Rolling Palace, a $15 million machine that has genuinely changed everything we thought we knew about luxury on wheels. So sit back, because this one is going to be a long ride, and trust me, you do not want to miss a single second of this. Let us start from the very first thing you see when this beast pulls up in front of you, and that is the exterior. BMW has gone absolutely all out with this one. The body sits on a custom triple-axle semi-truck chassis, and it is finished in a stunning deep crimson red with brushed silver body panels running along the midsection. The contrast is jaw-dropping. Right at the front, you have a massive scaled-up version of BMW's signature kidney grille, surrounded by a polished chrome border and lit up from behind with BMW's iconic blue LED halo lighting. It looks absolutely menacing and elegant at the same time, which is not easy to pull off on something this size. Moving along the side, you can see this thing is built in two complete levels. The lower deck features large oval porthole-style windows, and the upper deck is almost entirely glass full floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows that let you see straight into the living area from outside. BMW has used triple-glazed curved glass throughout, and when the interior lights are on at night, this vehicle looks like a floating luxury apartment moving down the highway. The whole body flows from front to back with smooth aerodynamic curves, no sharp awkward transitions, just one continuous organic shape that somehow makes a two-story truck look graceful. Around back, you have BMW's signature LED tail light strips integrated into a wide rear fascia finished in brushed aluminum. There are carbon fiber accents on the lower bumper, a full-width diffuser element, and a large chrome BMW roundel right in the center. The rooftop section has a retractable deck with chrome safety railings, a satellite dome, solar panels, and incredibly, a full hot tub with LED chromotherapy lighting built into the rear section of the roof. 12 polished chrome multi-spoke alloy wheels with BMW center caps complete the look, and with the air suspension adjusted to touring height, this thing has a presence that is absolutely unlike anything else on the road. Now stepping inside, and this is where things get truly unreal. The main living area on the lower level is an open-plan space with floor-to-ceiling glass walls on both sides, a curved cream Italian leather sectional sofa, walnut burl wood accent panels on the ceiling and walls, and a full-width LED entertainment wall. The floors are heated large-format marble tiles, and the lighting throughout is a combination of recessed warm LED ceiling lights and programmable ambient strips that you can change color and intensity with a voice command. It feels less like the inside of a vehicle and more like a high-end penthouse suite in Dubai. The kitchen is a full chef-grade galley with 6-burner induction cooktop, a built-in espresso machine, a wine refrigerator, integrated smart oven, and a white marble waterfall island with a farmhouse sink. The cabinetry is custom walnut with high-gloss white upper units, and the backsplash is done in BMW blue accent tiles that tie the whole design language together beautifully. The master bedroom suite features a king-size bed with a leather headboard embossed with the BMW logo, a ceiling skylight directly above so you can fall asleep under the stars, automated blackout blinds, a built-in wardrobe with mirrored sliding doors, and a dedicated minibar. The ensuite bathroom is a full spa with a freestanding oval soaking tub, a rainfall shower behind full glass, heated Carrara marble floors, and brushed gold fixtures throughout. And up front in the driver's cockpit, you have a wide curved digital instrument cluster, BMW's latest iDrive system with dual co-pilot screens, heads-up display, paddle shifters, Alcantara suede headliner, and a full air suspension driver's seat in black Napa leather. Every single detail in this interior has been considered, refined, and executed at a level that puts most 5-star hotels to shame. On the performance side, BMW has fitted this rolling palace with a twin-turbocharged inline-6 diesel powertrain producing around 750 horsepower and well over 1,800 Nm of torque running through a 12-speed automated gearbox. It rides on a fully independent air suspension system with active damping that adjusts in real time to road conditions, and despite weighing somewhere in the region of 25,000 kilograms fully loaded, the driving dynamics are reportedly smooth, controlled, and genuinely impressive. Top speed is electronically limited to 130 km per hour for safety, but BMW says highway cruising at 110 is virtually vibration-free. Now for the number that everyone is going to be asking about the price. The 2026 BMW Rolling Palace starts at $15 million in its base specification. That is before you get into the custom paint options, interior material upgrades, rooftop configuration choices, technology packages, and the optional onboard watercraft storage bay that BMW is offering as a dealer-fitted extra. Fully spec'd out, well-placed sources are suggesting the all-in number can push closer to $18 million. Is it worth it? If you are the kind of person asking that question seriously, then almost certainly yes. This is the absolute pinnacle of what a road-going luxury vehicle can be, and BMW has built it with the same obsessive attention to detail they bring to everything else they make. This is not just transportation. This is a statement, a lifestyle, and a masterpiece on wheels. That is going to do it for today's review right here on MH Car Review. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe if you have not already, and drop a comment below telling me what you think about the 2026 BMW Rolling Palace. Would you drive it? See you in the next one.